Hi, it's Tim Hagen from Progress Coaching, and we have built recently a really cool solution to one of the most troubling issues in the workplace: engagement. Like nobody's ever addressed workplace engagement yet. Now, I'm being a little bit humorous, yet we've taken a really cool approach. So let's think about things that we hear about engagement. Well, we have to have conversations. We have to have conversations of conflict. We have to have leaders who coach and mentor. Those are all important things. Heck, we teach a lot of that. What if there was a way to bring both parties together on equal footing? What if we taught the responsibility of accepting and giving in topics such as feedback, attitude, motivation, teamwork, conflict? We've created a solution called the 33 Workshop Series solution. Each workshop has 3 sessions. Each session is 33 minutes maximum. Here's the best part. We have provided a solution that has 100% total accountability. There are exercises. We can measure their participation in the workshop. They have to turn in assignments if you should so choose. And it really is changing the level of engagement between leaders and their employees, because there is equal responsibility. Now, if this intrigues you, fill out the form below this video. We're going to put you on the list. When we announce that we're going live with all of our products, we're going to give people a free test ride. And if you feel like it's valuable and it's worth your time and your merit to have a conversation, great. Otherwise, we've given you a free test and it won't cost you a dime. I promise you, this strategy is nothing like you've seen before. So fill out the form below. We'll get back to you in the next 60 to 90 days with an announcement with all of our products, and we will give you a free test run. Thanks for your time.